Hi everyone, it is Tony here from Custom PCs Australia. Today I'm going to run you through how to reset a Mac. Now this is for all M series Macs, M1, M2, M3 and M4 Macs. You might want to erase the Mac because you want to sell it to someone else. You might be having some issues with your Mac and you just want to give it a reset. So this is how you do it. So first things first, we're just going to click on System Settings. This will bring us to the main menu here. So once we go there, we want to find Transfer or Reset. So click on that one. And you'll see here Erase all content and settings. Now once you click on this, you are going to need to enter in your password. So just pop that in there. Now it's going to prompt you to back up your Mac. If you want to do this, just open up Time Machine. Now I think I'm actually in the middle of a backup here, but you would normally just tap on that and back up to Time Machine, just in case there's anything you want to still keep on there. But if you don't want to do that, you don't have to either. So just click on Erase all content and settings, and then just continue through. So now it's going to show you what it's going to erase. You're going to need to enter in your Apple ID password here. Just enter that one in. Now this just takes a little bit of time for some reason. Don't worry about thinking you might have entered in an incorrect password, that's fine. Now this is where it's all going to happen. So once you click that Erase all content and settings button, your Mac will be erased. So yeah, make sure you do really want to go ahead with it. I'm just going to cancel out of here. But once you click that, that is all you need to do to erase your Mac, and that's it. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.